Ready, set, go. Hey guys, what is poppin'? That's right, you see a pink box with some Jeffree Star tape. What could this be? Well, it is going to be an unboxing of a Jeffree Star mirror from the Chrome collection. We are not only going to be doing an unboxing, but we're also going to juice up this video a bit because I know there are a lot of unboxings and reviews on his mirrors. So I thought to take it a little bit farther, a notch, and do I've heard that the quality is really bomb and that it is a very sturdy and very nice, like, bougie mirror. I'm guessing since it is $25. So what I'm going to be doing is I am going to do a drop test. Not like a drop test from like a Empire State Building type of drop test, but I'm going to be doing a drop test like a normal, like sometimes you do your makeup, sometimes you're grabbing onto something else and you accidentally drop your mirror. So I'm going to be risking my mirror for you guys and do a drop test to see if the mirror will survive and not shatter. So I'm kind of scared, but kind of excited, but kind of scared, mostly scared and nervous. I'm not doing this to break Jeffree Star Cosmetics because I don't like him or anything like that. I'm literally just doing this slowly for the testing purpose and to really just test the quality. Like, that's really the only reason why. I would also like to give a big shout out to Heather Kayleen here on YouTube. She actually technically won this mirror from her giveaway, so I just want to shout her out real quick. So thank you, Heather, for this, because now I am able to bring you guys this video. And without further ado, let's get on into the video and start unboxing it. So I'm just going to keep it at this angle since my address is on top, and I'm going to like open it from here. I already opened up the box, I'm not going to lie. I had to open it up, make sure everything was good, you know. So you open it up right over here, and here is the box. It comes with the pink Jeffree Star, wrapping paper, the infamous logo. And then it comes with a big box with also the infamous logo. Okay. And then it also comes with a sticker with also the infamous logo. So you take the sticker and you kind of just, oh, this is tight. Kind of just peel it off. Oh yeah. Oh, and it's also chrome. That's cool. Since it's a chrome mirror, it's also a chrome sticker. That's pretty cool. Love details, you know. Oh, am I breaking it? Oh no, I'm not breaking it. Okay. Then you open it. I think you, oh no, you put this lower. Wow, I love some secure packaging. So you open this up and then you open up the top. And here we are. We have the Jeffree Star mirror. It's so pretty. I love like this rose gold color. It's such a pretty color. I definitely like it like as towards like his other colors. I definitely think this is like one of his most like pretty mirrors color wise. I do like the Shane Dawson one like size wise, but color wise I do love the chrome rose gold effect that this mirror has. So as you can see at the bottom, it just says Jeffree Star Cosmetics over here. It has a hole if you want to hang it somewhere. And then we have a humongous star. Yep, it's just a humongous star with, again, the infamous logo. And then over here, I don't know how I'm going to show you guys this, but as you can see here, you can see my window through there. It has a very beautiful, like, the mirror is literally covering up, I mean, the glass is covering up the whole mirror. It's not like more chrome and less mirror. You know what I mean? You know those mirrors that have like this tiny little circle of actual glass and the rest is just packaging? I will never understand that. I love a good mirror, and I think this is the perfect size. You can get your whole face in. It's really nice, I've got to say. It definitely is a lot more heavy duty than I thought it was. I don't think $25 for a mirror is justified, but I do think it is pretty nice so far. It is very beautiful, very stunning. It is a beautiful star. And now for the moment you've been waiting for, I am going to do a drop test on my carpet floor and then the wood floor. Hopefully, I'm crossing my fingers nothing breaks because I really do want this to go well. And if anything, I feel like more than being bad for Jeffree, this might be really good for him. If this doesn't break, it would be a really cool test and kind of show that this mirror, it really is very high quality. On the other hand, if this goes, south, I'm going to be very upset. I will cry. Literally. I'm not kidding. So first, the carpet test. This is exactly about where I would do my makeup. Like, I probably do my makeup and sit right over here, and then that's kind of the floor. So let's do a drop test to see if I was doing my makeup sitting on my chair and I had my carpet underneath, because my whole room floor is carpeted. And this is what would happen if I dropped my mirror doing my makeup sitting in my room. Okay, I'm really scared. Everybody please pray for me right now. Give me some vote of confidence. That'd be great. Thank you. Let's take a minute. Okay, ready? Oh my god, I'm scared. I'm so scared. I really hope it doesn't break. Okay, ready, set, go. Okay, that was like a very light drop, so let's see what happens. Woo! Okay, we have a winner. It did not break. It looks perfectly the same, and it still looks amazing. No scratches, nowhere. I mean, that was a pretty simple test. I think the hard one is going to be the wood test, and I'm very, very nervous for that one. So definitely send me your prayers right now that it doesn't break, because I really do love this mirror. You know, guys, love you all that I'm risking my mirror right now. I mean, I kind of just... no, I'm bringing this upon myself, so never mind. I'm bringing this upon myself, technically. Okay, let's get to the wood test, the one that I'm very nervous about. Alright guys, we're basically where my stairs are for my room, because my stairs are wood. I apologize for the lighting. It is a rainy day today, and I only have this, like, you know, little tiny lamp in the stairway. But I'm going to be, as you can see, there is wood floor. I'm going to be dropping this beautiful mirror on the floor to see if it breaks. My sister has the flash over there because the lighting sucks. Hello. And she literally just gasped. Yep, I'm risking a lot over here. I'm just gonna kind of drop it. I don't know which side it's gonna be, whether it's gonna be front face or back face. I'm kind of just gonna drop it sideways like I would do naturally and see how it turns out. Okay, everyone, pray for me. I'm about to drop it and I'm really scared. Okay, ready, set, go.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Do you guys see that? That's literally insane. That's so insane. It is fully intact.
Look at the back.
Like, look. Oh my god, there's not even a single chip.
Look at the back.
Look at the back.
Wow, that's crazy.
Oh my god, this is extreme high quality. If you guys need a very, very high quality mirror, and if you are clumsy like me and drop stuff all the time, oh my god, this is insane. It literally just survived that. Okay, let's get back into the setup and put our final thoughts together. Okay, I have no words. That was pretty much insane. I don't think anybody could question why this mirror is $25 now, or if it is cheap, or if it is sturdy. I think we all pretty much have our answers now. I will most definitely never question it, because that was a pretty harsh and insane drop, and to come out without even one scratch, that's insane. Thank you for all your prayers. You know, I was really nervous about it, as you could tell. But, like, just looking at it, even the chrome is so, like, delicate, you know? It's like a type of, like, plastic, I guess. I'm pretty sure this is plastic that would get easily scratched, you know? But I mean, like, it's come out flawless. There's not a single scratch, not a single dent, and the mirror is as stunning as ever. It's not even chipped on the sides of the star, which I was really expecting. So I think I'm really shook as, like, I did not expect this at all. I'm so surprised. Like, none of it is broken at all. Not even a single scratch. Not even over here with, like, the two stars, like, kind of joined together. I'm guessing that what part holds the mirror in. But, like, literally not even that part has a scratch or has, like, an opening. It's all literally perfect, in perfect shape. I mean, it looks like I just opened it out of the box, which I did, but, like, you know, minus the drop test. Like, that's pretty insane, guys. Like, I'm trying not to flash you guys. But, like, look at that. It is flawless. This little fella's strong. That's crazy. Do you guys see the chrome? Do you see how it's flawless? Not a single scratch, not a single dent. There's not even dust on it. Like, how? Even like when you see the lining with the stars in that, with the star, the glass and the plastic, it's insane. Like, I am so shook. I'm kind of glad that I did this like experiment, even though like it took a lot of guts to do it and I might get hate for it, but I really like, it's so cool. And I think for all the people that have been waiting to get his mirror but don't know whether it's like actually worth the investment, I think this has proved to you that it is, for sure. You don't need another mirror if you have this one, you know, not even another one of his mirrors. This will never break, probably not, because that was a pretty hard fall, I've got to say. Even my sister was really scared. And yeah, this came out very much alive from our little killer test. It was a suicide mission, to be honest, and it came out alive. So that too, like flawless with not even a scratch. That's pretty insane. That's pretty crazy. Oh, I also forgot to mention, on the back it also says Jeffree Star Cosmetics, but also in the front it has a star logo. That's pretty cool. I love how his logo is everywhere, you know? It's like, back off, it's my brand. You have a Jeffree Star product. Like, there's some products that are high-end, but you would never know that they are high-end just because it doesn't really scream it on the packaging. This screams it. I mean, just look at the back. I mean, like, anybody who knows Jeffree Star is gonna know this is a Jeffree Star mirror. So I love the fact that it is very out there, it is very beautiful, and it is insanely stable. So it survived the test. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, it is insane. I'm sorry I kept this going for so long and kept you here for so long. If you were here, I love you. You are amazing. And I kind of had fun doing this. I rambled on a lot, but I think it was pretty interesting anyway. So without further ado, I hope to see you soon in my next video. I do lots of videos with Jeffree Star Cosmetics, kind of. And yeah, I hope to see you soon in my next one. Bye! Oh, and I hope you enjoyed. Of course. Love you all. Okay. Bye! Hold on, is that a heart? Bye! Shatterproof, scratch-proof, dent-proof, everything-proof. Hi. How are ya?